Hello my dear students, welcome again in my channel. Let's study with Madam Sir. Students, in our complete series of English grammar, today we are going to read conjunction. What is conjunction? Students, conjunction is a part of speech. Now, what is the definition of conjunction? A conjunction is a word which joins two or more than two words, phrases, clauses or sentences. Students, conjunction is a word which joins two or more than two words, phrases, clauses or sentences. That's why conjunction is also known as joining words. So with the help of example, we will get here that how conjunction used for joining words. Now, examples of conjunction. Students, in the first example, Veena and Shweta went to market. Here, there are two words, Veena and Shweta. They are joined with the help of the conjunction and. In the second sentence, Mukesh gave me a book and an ink pot. Here, student, a book and ink pot, they are phrases. And the phrases here joined with the help of the conjunction and. In the third sentence, work hard lest you should fail. Work hard lest you should fail. There are two clauses. Work hard, one clause, and you should, lest you should fail. So here, lest is the conjunction that joins the two clauses. Fourth sentence, I went to see him but he was not there. There are two sentences. I went to see him, he was not there. Both the sentences are joined with the help of the conjunction but. So student, we have got here that conjunctions are used for joining words, Veena and Shweta. Conjunctions are used to joining phrases, a book and an ink pot. Conjunctions are used for joining clauses. For example, work hard, you should fail. Conjunctions are used for joining sentences. For example, I went to see him and he was not there. Now, how many kinds of conjunctions are? Students, there are two kinds of conjunction, coordinating conjunction and subordinating conjunction. So in this video, student, we are going to read about coordinating conjunction and their kind. But first we will get the definition of coordinating conjunction and subordinating conjunction. What is coordinating conjunction? A coordinating conjunction joins together clauses of equal rank. The chief coordinating conjunctions are and, but, for, or, nor, also, either or, neither nor. Student, once again, a coordinating conjunction joins together clauses of equal rank or order. And the main coordinating conjunctions are and, but, for, or, nor, also, either or and neither nor. And now student, with the help of example, we will get it clear. Now examples of coordinating conjunction. So student, first example, Vinay and Sudhir were playing cricket. Here Vinay and Sudhir, they are noun. Second example, you and I. So what is you and I? You and I both are pronoun. In the third example, my father is poor but honest. So poor and honest both are adjective. Fourth example, Anshu is good but her uncle is bad. So there are two sentences. So it is clear, student, that coordinating conjunctions are used for joining words of equal length, of equal order or equal rank. For example, in the first sentence, two nouns are joined with the conjunction and. Second example, two pronouns are joined with the conjunction and. In the third sentence, student, two adjectives are joined with the conjunction but. In the fourth sentence, two sentences are joined here with the conjunction but. So it is clear here that coordinating conjunction are used for joining words of equal rank or order. Now student, what is subordinating conjunction? A subordinating conjunction joins a clause to another on which it depends for its full meaning. What is subordinating conjunction? A subordinating conjunction joins a clause to another clause on which it depends for its full meaning. So here there are more than two clauses or two clauses, and the chief subordinating conjunctions are after, because, if, though, although, till, before, unless, as, where, while. They are subordinating conjunction. Now with the help of example, we will make it clear, student, that what is subordinating conjunction and how one clause depends upon the other for its full meaning. Now for example, Bhavna was fined as she came late. So student, as she came late, this is one clause, and for its full meaning it depends upon the sentence Bhavna was fined. And which subordinating conjunction is used here? As. Second one, if he comes, I shall go. So here student, if he comes, this clause depends upon the main clause I shall go for its full meaning. And what is the subordinating conjunction used here? If. Third example, Neelu is honest though she is poor. So though she is poor depends upon the main clause Neelu is honest. And what is the subordinating conjunction used here? Though. Fourth sentence, although it was raining, I went out. So although it was raining, it depends upon its full meaning on this clause I went out. And what is the subordinating conjunction? Although. So student, we have got here that subordinating conjunction joins together two sentences of unequal rank and they depend upon each other for its full meaning. Now student, how many kinds of coordinating conjunction? Here in this video we are going to read about the kinds of coordinating conjunction. So there are four kinds of coordinating conjunction. Number 1, cumulative conjunction. Number 2, alternative conjunction. Number 3, adversative conjunction. And number 4, elative conjunction. Now one by one we will read here. Number 1, cumulative conjunction. Students, what is cumulative conjunction? Cumulative conjunction merely add one statement to another. For example, trust in God and do the right. So there are two statements, trust in God, do the right. And what is the conjunction? And. Second sentence, she was both fined and imprisoned. So here student, there are two statements. First statement was she was fined and the second statement was she was imprisoned, and both the sentences are joined with the help of the conjunction and the sentence is she was both fined and imprisoned. Third example, Rama as well as Ajit was present there. So there are again two statements. Rama was present there, Raman was present there, and the second sentence Ajit was present there. and both the sentences are joined with the conjunction as well as. Raman as well as Ajit was present there. Now fourth sentence. He was not only foolish but also obstinate. Student, again here there are two statements. First statement was he was foolish, and the second statement was he was obstinate. So here the conjunction is not only but also, and the two statements are joined here with the help of the conjunction not only but also. He was not only foolish but also obstinate. So we got here, student, that cumulative conjunction merely add one statement to another with the help of conjunction and as well as not only but also, etc. Now number 2, alternative conjunction. What is alternative conjunction, student? Alternative conjunction express a choice, alternate choice between two alternatives. For example, she must weep or she will die. So there are two choices. She must weep or she will die. And the conjunction is or. Either he is mad or he feels madness. So there are again two choices. He is mad or he feels madness. And the conjunction is either or. Third one, neither Rahul nor Ashish was playing. So again there are two choices. Rahul was playing, Ashish was playing. And the conjunction is here neither nor. Next one, student, work hard otherwise you will pass. So there are again two choices, that work hard or you will not pass. And the two choices are here and the conjunction is what? Otherwise. So we got here, student, that when there are two choices we have to use alternative conjunction. Number 3, adversarial conjunction. What is adversarial conjunction? Adversarial conjunction express opposition between two statements. Opposition means both the sentences are opposite to each other. For example, he is slow but he is sure. So student, here there are two opposite sentences. He is slow but he is sure. So but conjunction is used for expressing opposition. Second example, I was annoyed, still I kept quiet. So there are again opposition. I was annoyed, still I kept quiet. Annoyed, quiet. And the opposition was expressed by the conjunction still. She was beautiful. Her friends are ugly. She is beautiful. Her friends are ugly. So there are again opposition, and opposition is expressed by the conjunction while. Fourth sentence, he was all right. He was fatigued. All right, fatigue. So here, student, there are again opposition, and the opposition is expressed with the help of the conjunction only. So we have got here that adversarial conjunction express opposition between two statements. Number 4, elative conjunction. What is elative conjunction? Elative conjunction express an inference. What is inference, student? Result or conclusion. For example, she will pass for she works very hard. So she will pass for she works very hard. It gives the inference here, and that's why what is the conjunction here? For. She was found stealing and therefore she was arrested. So what is the conjunction here, student? Therefore. It gives the reason here, it gives the inference that she was found stealing, and what is the conclusion of it? That she was arrested. Vinay did not work. Consequently, he failed. So what is the result of not working? He failed. And the inference, the conclusion was expressed by the conjunction consequently. So in the first sentence, student, in the first sentence here we got that she will pass and for she works very hard. So for indicating inference. Second sentence, she was found stealing, and what is the result of it? Conclusion, she was arrested, and here the conjunction and therefore is used. Vinay did not work, consequently he failed. Did not work, he failed. So the result is what? He failed. And how it was expressed? It was expressed with the help of the conjunction consequently. So we have got here, student, that what is elative conjunctions. So in this video, student, we have got the kinds of coordinating conjunction. In the next video, I am going to explain that what are the kinds of subordinating conjunction with the help of examples. Thank you for watching the video, students. If you like my video, share it, subscribe my channel and like it. Thank you once again.